Okay, this is the first step in my tutorials on how to draw a face. So since I'm right-handed, I'll be starting on this side. So I looked up a nice reference photo because I will be drawing a profile of someone's face. So it's important to start about an inch from the edge of your paper, so about right there. Now I'm going to start by drawing the forehead. Slowly taking my time. Then I'm going to go inwards for my nose and then back out for the bridge of my nose. Then it's going to curve for the first lip. And then again for the bottom lip. And then it's going to curve for the chin. And then the neck. All right, the next step will be to Sharpie that line. And now I'm going to take my paper and fold it in half, making sure everything lines up. And I'm going to go ahead and trace the same thing on the other side. Now when I open my paper, it should be symmetrical on both sides. I'll go ahead and Sharpie this side as well. All right, next, to make our vase look rounded, we need to use ellipses. I'm going to explain what those are. So I'm going to turn my paper over. It's easier to draw them this way. So it's basically just making, rather than a straight line, it's going to be a curved line. So notice I'm using my wrist to make the back and forth motion. I'm going to draw in an ellipses every time there's an indent in my vase. Okay, so I'm going to go through and add those in. And then one at the very top. And I'll turn it over. The only one that I'm going to do that's going the opposite direction is at the top of my vase. Because we want to make it so that there's an illusion that this is coming forward and then that's going backwards. All right, so this would be step one. And if I would like, I can go back and Sharpie the top line and the bottom line. I will not need to Sharpie in these lines, but I will explain why in the next video. All right, thanks.